नमस्ते। भारत के ग्रामीण लोगों की मजलिस में बैठकर वहाँ की चर्चाओं को सुना जाए तो उसमें कई रहस्यमय गुर सुनाई पड़ते हैं। वे लोग अक्सर कहा करते हैं कि मनुष्य जीवन 84 लाख योनियों के बाद मिला है। एक अंधे का दृष्टांत दिया जाता है जो 84 लाख दरवाज़ों वाले मकान के भीतर उसकी दीवार के साथ साथ रास्ता टटोल रहा है। इनमें से केवल एक कोठरी का दरवाज़ा खुला है जिसमें से बाहर निकला जा सकता है, बाकी सब दरवाजे बंद हैं। परंतु जब वह अंधा हाथ से टटोलता टटोलता खुले दरवाजे के पास पहुंचता है तो उसे खुजली उठती है और वो आगे निकल जाता है और फिर 84 लाख दरवाज़ों को खटखटाने के फेर में पड़ जाता है। जिन लोगों ने हमारे समाज में ऐसे कथानकों को एक एक झोपड़े तक पहुंचाया था, इतना अवश्य प्रतीत होता है कि उन्होंने जीवन को एक खिलवाड़ नहीं समझा था, इसे एक समस्या समझा था और ख़ासकर मनुष्य जीवन को तो बड़ी विषम समस्या समझा था। उनका कहना था कि मनुष्य की योनि बड़ी दुर्लभ है, इसे पाकर उसके साथ खिलवाड़ करना मूर्खता की पराकाष्ठा है। यदि जीवन सचमुच एक समस्या है, अचानक या आकस्मिक घटना नहीं है, तो इस समस्या का हल अवश्य होना चाहिए। इसे एक खिलवाड़ की चीज़ नहीं समझना चाहिए। भारत के प्राचीन ऋषियों ने इस समस्या का हल जीवन को एक निश्चित आदर्श में बांध कर दिया था। वह आदर्श क्या था? तो हम वेद के मंत्र को अगर देखें, यस्तु सर्वाणि भूतान्यात्मन्येवानुपश्यति सर्वभूतेषु चात्मानं ततो न विचिकित्सति। जो व्यक्ति सब आत्माओं को अपने अंदर देखता है और अपने को सब में देखता है, वह संदेहों से ऊपर उठ जाता है, निश्चयात्मक जीवन व्यतीत करता है। आज के इस वीडियो में हमने इन्हीं समस्याओं से पर्दा उठाने का काम किया है। जीवन में हम बहुत सारे कार्य करते हैं। हमारे जीवन को सुखी बनाने के लिए विवाह भी इसी प्रकार का एक कार्य है जिसे हम करते हैं। लेकिन विवाह कैसा होना चाहिए और उसमें किन किन बातों का ध्यान रखना चाहिए, ये न जानने के कारण हमारे जीवन में अनेक प्रकार की तकलीफ़ें, समस्याएं हम उठाते हैं। इस वीडियो में हम उन रहस्यों से पर्दा उठाने वाले हैं जिसके द्वारा मनुष्य का जीवन स्वर्ग के जैसा सुंदर बन जाता है, संतान उत्तम बन जाती है और अपने जीवन लक्ष्य को प्राप्त करने में मनुष्य सफल हो सकता है। इसलिए इस वीडियो को अंत तक अवश्य देखें।
So this Vidhi is called Saptapadi. Sapta means 7 and Padi means steps. Okay, so you will take 7 steps together for attainment of 7 basic needs of life. Because as you are entering in the household life, it's very important for you to have all these things so that your household life is happy and prosperous, right? So the way here will be right then left. Okay, there is no left right, it's right then left. So आपको you have to make it like this is 1. Okay, so 7 steps from there to here, and before that you have to say something. Okay, you say Om Ma Savyena Dakshinam Atikrama. Both of you have said very important thing. It's just the formula of being happy, right? You have said here, Ma Savyena Dakshinam Atikrama. We'll never let our left step cross right step. What does it mean? How it makes us happy? It makes us happy if we understand the meaning of this. Okay? So this means we'll never let our expectations exceed us. Okay? This is the formula to be happy. If you want to be happy, never let your expectations exceed your efforts. When your efforts are more and expectations are less, then you will be happy. If your expectations are more and efforts are less, then you will not be happy. You will not be satisfied. Okay? Now you say Om only him. Om Ishe Ekpadi Bhava सा माम अनुव्रता भव विष्णु त्वा नयतु पुत्रान विंदावहै बहुस्ते संतु जरदस्थय. This is the first step for the attainment of basic needs of life, right? So we call it anna. Roti, kapda and makan. House, shelter, clothing and food. This is the basic need of any household. So for attainment of that, you have to take first step together. Yes. Now you say Om Urje Dvipadi Bhava Sa Mam Anuvrata Bhava. Urja means energy. Okay? So anything in this world is moving because of energy. Energy is required for each and everything you do. Okay? So you both will be full of energy and you will increase each other's energy. When you work together in the same direction, when you think in the same direction and when you do all your things together, it increases your energy. Okay? And when you are opposite, then it will decrease your energy. You will be source of each other's energy. So for that, you take second step. Om Rayas Koshaya Tripadi Bhava Samam Anuvrata Bhava. Rayas Kosh means wealth and prosperity. Okay? So in this economic age, wealth is very much required. Otherwise, nothing will move in the right direction. So you too have to attain that, and also you have to learn how to manage that wealth, right? So earning money is not very difficult, but to manage that it is. So you have to understand how to manage it, how to use it well. Okay, not only for only your luxuries or only your happiness, but also you have to think about the society from where you are getting it. Okay, so for that you have to take third step. Very good. Om Mayo Bhavaya Chatushpadi Bhava Tamam Anuvrata Bhava. Mayo Bhav means happiness. Okay, so apart from power, position, wealth and everything in your life, happiness is separate, right? And that depends on how much time you devote to each other, how much attention you devote to each other, and how much love you do to each other. Okay, so you have to keep in your mind that be lesser money, be lesser power, position, but your love should not be lesser anytime, right? So for that, and to keep each other happy, you take fourth step. Right. Say Om Prajabhyah Panchapadi Bhava Samam Anuvrata Bhava. Praja means people, right? And for you, your children, right? So there are children that animals also have. But why we call Praja to human beings? Because they are not carrying only the heredity, but they are also carrying the heritage, right? So you have to make your children such a way that they are not only carrying the heredity thing, but also the heritage and the culture that you bring to them. Okay? And you have to do it together, because this will be the thing that needs both of your attention, both of your efforts, right? So for that we take fifth step. Now you say Om Ritubhyah Shatpadi Bhava. Ritu means seasons. In India there are 6, right? And in all these seasons, how many seasons in your country? 4 seasons. Okay. So on all these 4 seasons, there is different way of life, there is different things to eat, there are different clothes to wear, and those who are not knowing it or not having it may fall sick. Okay. So now you have to learn it, that what should be your behavior in different seasons, and also you have to learn that what to eat, what not to eat. Especially the things that are mentioned with injurious to health, you have never to consume. Okay? So for this, you will guide him and he will guide you. So take the 6th step. Very good. And now you say, Om Sakhe Saptapadi Bhava Sa Mam Anuvrata Bhava. Sakha means friend. Okay? So now she is going to be your friend for life, and you are going to be her friend for life. And together this friendship will make you happy, will keep you happy and give you everything that you wish to have in your life. Okay? So for this friendship, you take 7th step and complete your 7th circle. Please come. Om